You need to mute a contact or group on WhatsApp. Of course, you can do that. If you're a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you're new here, you are welcome. If you want to mute a contact or group, simply tap and hold on the person's name and check the mute icon. Mute notifications for 8 hours, 1 week, always, whichever one. Make sure you click OK. For a group, do the same thing, tap and hold and click the mute button. You can mute the person or group for 8 hours, a week, or always. Make sure you click on OK to activate this. Thanks for watching. For other WhatsApp settings, tricks, and hacks, check the description box below. I will see you in my next one. Cheers to your success. Keep being amazing. Bye-bye.